Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic 2018 Toyota Camry. We check, we have the brake light is on and the car doesn't want to move. You know, I mean there is no brake at all. It was in the highway, the brake become heavy, nothing is moving. So what we check, first we have to check all the ABS control module. We check it, there is no code, not a single code. Engine computer safe, transmission control module safe. We know that we have an ABS control module there. The job of the ABS is to also communicate with the brake there and see if there is any pressure, compensate the pressure when there is a hard brake on the car. I didn't see any output or input or any problem from there. I disconnect the battery. I'm gonna put it back again and let's see if things gonna work. If it's not, because the light was there flashing with the ignition on, I'm gonna tie I would tie this one here. Then we see what happened, if this problem is still there or not. But this car here is not electronic parking brake, to say that. But you see we have a booster, we have a sensor on the booster. Okay, now let's go ahead and check the OBD2 also. OBD2 light also was not good. Okay, let me try to start it. Let me see if that light gonna go away. This is still flashing and the brake is so bad. Brake light is on, safety. Watch, you know, like there is something there, but the brake is very, very hard. And when we look here, there is nothing. You're gonna escape again. I say okay. I will do auto scan again. You see, no fault engine, no fault ABS, no fault SRS, combination mirror, okay, tire pressure, main body, everything look okay. But the brake system, we have a problem. Low, see, low braking power, low braking power, low braking power message. Stay safe. What we have on this, we need to check it more and see why this low braking power is. Low braking power. Okay, let me go more details and then we come back. You see here, we don't have no problem. Okay, let me check what is there or what we need to do. Yes. Okay. After you see here, like sometime we may have to check the switch there. Maybe it's go all the way deep, and there is no space to pump it to, pump the brake. It happened to me before. Let me check the brake there. Okay, let me check the. I believe this car have a mechanical problem more than electrical problem, because the brake pedal is not spongy at all. It's not spongy, and I feel like there is no codes, so it could be a vacuum leak or it could be something that have to be checked correctly. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic, and see you in another video.